Hello, welcome to the Health Zone. Now we will talk about health, but before that don't forget to hit the subscribe button to receive new videos from this channel.
Why you need to take garlic every morning. On an fasting day, eat garlic to boost your immunity. Garlic is a must-see when talking about Indian food. Bulb-shaped vegetables belong to the family onion and are often used to add flavor to foods. Its pungent taste and unique aroma are mainly due to the presence of organic sulfur compounds such as allicin and ajoin. However, the use of garlic is not limited to cooking. It is also used as a medicine in ancient and modern history. Garlic is consumed in a variety of ways to address health problems such as colds, coughs, high blood pressure, arthritis, toothache, constipation and infections.
One of the most common ways to consume garlic for health reasons is to eat garlic on an empty stomach in the morning. The best way to eat garlic is to take 2 pieces of garlic, peel and beat with a stone and mortar. Take on an empty stomach in the morning and drink a glass of water.
Good for intestinal health. Good bowel health and weight loss are associated. There is no such thing as garlic to improve the number of good bacteria in your gut.
An effective way to prevent skin diseases is to take garlic in the morning on an empty stomach. Eat garlic every breakfast to make your skin clear and supple. Current research shows that garlic may have some real health benefits, such as protection against the common cold and the ability to help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Garlic contains antioxidants that may help prevent Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Garlic is known to have a positive effect on the common causes of chronic illness, so it makes sense that it can also help you live longer. One study showed that garlic significantly reduced the symptoms associated with lead toxicity. At high doses, sulfur compounds in garlic have been shown to protect organs from heavy metal toxicity. Garlic helps improve blood flow and helps prevent erectile dysfunction. However, more human research is needed. Although human studies are limited, some studies show that garlic and its ingredients may improve male fertility, increase testosterone levels, and increase sperm production. Garlic also acts as an antioxidant. Antioxidants play important roles in sexual health and fertility, in addition to protection from chronic illness. Side effects of garlic. Garlic is a healthy additive to a balanced diet, but eating too much can have some side effects. Increased risk of bleeding. One of the most serious side effects of eating too much garlic is an increased risk of bleeding, especially if you are using anticoagulants or have surgery. This is because garlic has an antithrombotic effect. Garlic smell. Garlic contains various sulfur compounds. These compounds can cause bad breath, especially when eaten in large quantities. This is especially true for raw garlic. This is because cooking reduces the levels of these sulfur compound. I hope this information will help you for your health. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.